One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 tablespoons red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon nigella seeds. 1/2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Mix well. 1/2 cup cooking oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Cook for 1 minute. 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger chopped. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. 1 kilogram potatoes cut in slices. Cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Add prepared masala. Cook for 2 minutes. Three medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. Mix it. Cover and cook on low flame until done. 4 green chilies chopped. Mix it. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 4 green chilies. 4 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves.